Hello, and welcome to the first installment of realmeREVEAL as part of the realme podcast. My name is Mark, I'm the product communication manager here at realme, and today we're going to be doing a realmeREVEAL of the GT NEO 3 150 watt version of the phone. So let's get started. If you look closely, you can see that this is the 256 gigabyte storage version with 12 gigabytes of RAM. It's got a massive 150 watt ultra dart charge. All right, so let's take off the box. I've got my scissors ready. Hopefully I don't cut myself. And let's get into what's inside. This actually means dare to leap. All right, first let's start with the back cover. So as you can see, this was actually inspired by the 1960s racing legend from Le Mans. We have an iconic dual racing stripe design lining the back. It still has that really nice satin feel to it. It's definitely more on that matte finish side of the spectrum, so you don't really have that smudge or finger smudging anxiety. As you can see, there's the 3-camera setup. You have the 50 megapixel main cam, you have an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and then the 2 megapixel macro. The camera bump, it sticks out a little bit, but not too much. If you look at the rim of the phone, you can see the Dolby Atmos dual speakers. You can see the Type-C port. You have volume toggles on the left side, and then you have the power button on the right. And as we've done in the past, there's a really nice texture on that power button, so you know exactly which button to press to power on. As far as the screen goes, you're looking at a flat screen with a curved back. So you're kind of getting the best of both worlds in the sense that it's got that really nice in-hand feel with the curve, but also the responsiveness and accuracy to the touch of the flat screen display. And so for those of you concerned about durability, this screen comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Let's boot it up. Some important specs about the phone is that the Neo 3 has an AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate as well as an HDR10 Plus resolution. It's 6.7 inches, but it actually doesn't feel that big in the hand. So I'm gonna try to turn the brightness all the way up. And so what you're getting from this display is a peak of 1000 nits brightness. You can feel free to take it outside and look at your screen when you're walking around under the sun. You can still see a pretty decent picture. As is usually the case, pun intended, it comes with a clear phone case. It's a smoky gray kind of translucent color for the case. So if we pop open the SIM tray, what you'll be able to see is that it comes with 2 SIM slots. But I want to focus on the charger because that is where all the hype is. I mean, we're talking about the world's first 150 watt ultra dart charge. So if I didn't spend a little bit of extra time booting this thing up and charging it with that speed, I feel like I'd be kind of doing all of you a disservice. Let's get that charger hooked up to an extension cord. This ultra dart charge architecture can actually charge this phone from 0 to 50% in just 5 minutes and all the way to 100% in about 12 minutes. So I'm going to boot it up and see how fast it can go. You get this cool purple animation. You got ultra dart. It starts off a little slow and then boom, it picks up. Now it's going really fast. But a secret that you may not actually know about is that it can go even faster. And you know that it's going faster when it has an orange animation. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So I'm gonna unplug it. So what you wanna do is you wanna go to settings, go to battery, and then this charge acceleration. So we turn that on and now let's look at the difference. Here we go, now it has the orange animation. Yeah, so it's really picking up. But there you go, that's the ultra dart charge. It's going really fast. Okay, so now is the time that I wanna actually test out the different features of this phone. I'm not really a selfie guy, but I do want to test out this selfie mode on the camera a little bit. We'll get real meow in the background. There we go. So now I actually want to test out the 50 megapixel main cam. So the final version of the camera that I'm going to use is pretty special because it's actually the result of our collaboration with our fans. But we included a really amazing 90s pop filter, and I'm going to use that. I got one picture with Jacob in the normal filter and then one with the 90s pop filter, and I have to say that the 90s pop filter looks pretty legit, but right now is daytime, and I think you get the most out of this filter at night. So test it out, see what it looks the best to you, and you can't really go wrong. It's a cool filter to use. This is an AMOLED HDR10 Plus display, and it has the Dolby Atmos speakers. Let's see what those can do. So that's it for our first installment of realmeREVEAL of the GT NEO 3. It's a beautiful design and tons of performance packed into this phone. I hope that you guys enjoyed this and stay tuned for the global launch of the GT NEO 3.